Living near the coast brings many benefits, but it also creates unique challenges for homeowners, especially when it comes to window maintenance. Heat, humidity, and frequent exposure to moisture can take a toll on older or poorly installed windows. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, professional window installation plays a major role in reducing ongoing maintenance issues and keeping homes comfortable and easy to care for over time. Why poor installation leads to ongoing problems? Many window maintenance issues don't start with the window itself. They start with improper installation. Even high-quality windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. In Pompano Beach homes, poor installation often leads to gaps around frames, misalignment, and weakened seals. These issues allow moisture and air to enter, creating problems that require frequent attention and repairs. Creating a strong, moisture-resistant seal. Moisture is one of the biggest contributors to window maintenance concerns. When windows aren't sealed properly, humid air and water can penetrate the surrounding structure. Professional window installation ensures a tight, continuous seal around the entire frame. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means less moisture intrusion, fewer condensation issues, and reduced risk of long-term damage around window openings. Preventing frame warping and alignment issues. Windows that are not installed level or square can shift over time. This causes sticking, difficulty opening or closing, and added stress on window components. Proper installation in Pompano Beach homes ensures windows are aligned correctly from the start. Well-aligned windows maintain smooth operation, reducing wear on hardware and minimizing the need for adjustments or repairs. Reducing condensation and interior moisture buildup. Condensation often forms when warm, humid air meets cooler window surfaces. Improper installation can worsen this problem by allowing air leaks around the frame. Correct installation helps stabilize interior window surfaces and limit air infiltration. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from drier window areas, which reduces the need for constant wiping, cleaning, or concern about moisture-related damage. Minimizing exterior wear and seal failure. Windows are constantly exposed to outdoor conditions. When installation is rushed or incomplete, exterior seals can break down faster, leading to peeling, gaps, or water intrusion. Professional installation ensures exterior components are secured and sealed properly. In Pompano Beach, this helps windows maintain their integrity longer, reducing the need for frequent resealing or exterior repairs. Supporting long-term hardware performance. Window hardware such as locks, tracks, and hinges relies on proper alignment to function smoothly. Poor installation places uneven stress on these components, causing premature wear. With proper installation, Pompano Beach homeowners enjoy windows that open and close easily without sticking or grinding. This reduces maintenance needs and extends the life of moving parts. Preventing damage to surrounding walls and finishes. Moisture intrusion caused by poor installation doesn't just affect the window. It can damage surrounding walls, trim, and finishes. Correct window installation helps direct moisture away from the home and protects interior and exterior surfaces. Pompano Beach homeowners avoid costly repairs by addressing installation quality up front. Simplifying routine cleaning and care. Windows that are properly installed are easier to maintain. Frames stay aligned, seals remain intact, and surfaces stay cleaner longer. In Pompano Beach homes, this means less time spent addressing minor issues and more time enjoying a comfortable, low-maintenance living space. A smart investment in long-term eased window installation isn't just about replacing old windows, it's about reducing future problems. Proper installation prevents many of the issues that lead to constant upkeep and frustration. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, investing in professional window installation helps reduce maintenance demands, protect the home from moisture-related issues, and ensure windows perform reliably for years to come. It's a practical step toward a more comfortable, worry-free home.